Good morning, girls. I'm Miss Lubna, and I'm going to teach you mathematics. You all can see this textbook. This is for both class 9th and 10th. This mathematics book, syntax book board Jamshoro. Class 10th, you have already used this book in previous class, and we have done some work also from that. So you already know that this book we were using it before. Okay, now in class 10th also we are going to use the same textbook. Okay, I hope you brought the exercise books also with you, so that we can start our work. Okay, now this we are going to do according to the board pattern. Okay, they have already given that pattern. We are going to according to that. Mathematics, you know, you all can score full marks in mathematics, right? In board you will have 100 marks paper. Okay, so I hope you all can score 100 out of 100. If you practice every day, each and every question, you can easily score full marks. Okay, all the question comes from your textbook. Okay, so practice from your textbook. In class 9th, we already did basic things like addition, subtraction, division and all. Now again, now we are going to start the topic which you have already done it in previous classes. It is like revision to all of you. If you are going to pay attention and you are going to listen this carefully, you can easily understand. Okay, in the book you can see that there is first chapter. You all can see this is sets chapter. We are going to start with the sets. Okay, chapter number 1, sets. Okay, we are going to do the basic sets. We are going to write, and then the forms of sets. Then you have done power sets, subsets, proper, improper, and different forms we are going to do. Okay, let's start our first lesson. Okay, let's start first lesson. Lesson number 1 it is. Okay, it is chapter 1. Okay, we'll begin with chapter number 1. It is sets. First of all, we are going to write some important sets that I'm going to explain it. Already you have done this in class 8 or 7th in previous classes, so it's like revision to all of you. So you already know these sets. So these are some important sets. Okay, some important sets. You already know all these. Okay. Set of natural numbers. You already know what are natural numbers. Natural numbers we represent by capital N. In sets we always represent the set by a capital letter. Okay, and inside the set we write small letters or numbers we use. Okay, so natural number starts from 1 1 2 3 and so on, right? Then there is another set you already know, set of even numbers. Even numbers, this is short form of numbers. Okay, even, we represent this by capital E. Even number starts from 2, 2, 4, 6. All these numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, then set of odd numbers, represent this by capital O. And odd numbers starts from 1, 1, 3, 5, 7. These are not divisible by 2. Okay. Then you must have done another set, that is prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers actually goes in their own table. Okay, we represent prime numbers by capital P, and prime numbers always starts from 2. Remember this, prime numbers always starts from 2. 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Okay, you can see that they go in their own table. 1 is not a prime number. Okay, like in odd numbers starts from 1, but prime number starts from 2. Okay, so difference between odd numbers and prime numbers is this. Okay. Then we have done integers before. Okay, so you all know what are integers. Integers, we represent this by Z, capital letter Z. In integers we write both positive and negative numbers. It starts from 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and so on. Okay, so all these are known as integers. Okay, then there are rational numbers and irrational. Rational numbers cannot be written in tabular form. We represent rational number by Q. Okay, so you cannot represent this by this in this form, tabular form, in which we write numbers and all. So we use notations to write this x such that x belongs to this x such that x is equals to actually p upon q, and p and q both belongs to z. Okay, and q is not equals to 0. These are actually fractions. These numbers are in fraction, so these are known as rational numbers. Then there are irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Okay, irrational numbers, we represent this by q dash, and in this x such that x is not equals to p upon q, and p and q both belongs to z, and q is not equals to 0. In irrational numbers, usually there are numbers in root sign and it is not possible to find their root. So there are other examples also. Okay, and all these sets are actually known as real numbers. Okay, all these are actually real numbers. What are these? All these numbers are known as real numbers. Okay, if anyone asks you what are real numbers, so you can say that all the numbers are real numbers: positive, negative, fraction, root, even, odd. So all these numbers are actually real numbers. Okay, so these sets you have already done it, so you all should know what are these. So we are going to use these in different examples and all that, so you all should know what it is. Okay, now next is how to write these sets in different forms. Okay, there are different forms actually. So forms of set, actually we are going to do forms of sets. There are different forms of sets, right? Okay, there is a tabular form. Now what is tabular form? What is tabular form? When we write the set in numbers, like suppose set A is given. This is suppose first example, set A belongs to, like set A, there are 4 numbers given, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this form is known as tabular form. Only you can see numbers are written, no description is given, nothing else. So only numbers are written between 2 curly brackets. So you can say this is tabular form. Now same set, when you are going to describe it, it is known as descriptive form. Okay, descriptive form. In descriptive form, you are going to describe the set. Okay, same set, let's describe the set. How you are going to describe the set? For description, what we are going to do, first you are going to guess this set belongs to which one. Numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So set belongs to natural numbers. Okay, so these are natural numbers. Now how many natural numbers are given? There are 4 natural numbers given, and numbers are starting from 1, so you can say set of first 4 natural numbers. So in descriptive form also you will write the same, set of first 4 natural numbers. Okay, set of first 4 natural numbers. So this way you can describe. And the third form, actually how you can write the same set, third form is set builder form. Okay, set builder form. Now what it is actually? Set builder form, we use notation in this. Okay, in set builder form we use notations, different notations we use. Now same set, how to write it in set builder form? Set of natural numbers. Suppose all these elements are x, so you can write x such that x belongs to natural numbers. Okay, this will change it according to the numbers. If even are given, you will write E. If odd are given, you will write O. Okay, this will remain same. Suppose numbers are x, all the elements 1 2 3 4 elements are x, and x belongs to which set? Natural numbers. Okay, x belongs to natural numbers, and this sign is and. X is less and equals to 4. Okay, less than 4 means numbers are 3 2 1. Okay, and equals to 4 means 4 is included. Okay, less than 4 means 3 2 1, and equals to 4 means 4 is included. So you can write it this way, x is less and equals to 4. Or same set, you can write this way also, write it this way, x such that x belongs to natural number. This will remain same, and you can write the numbers this way also. Numbers are starting from 1, less and equals to x, less and equals to 4. So numbers are from 1 till 4. Okay, this equals to sign means 1 is included, this equals to sign means 4 is included. Okay, this part 1 is less and equals to x means 1 is less than x means x is greater than 1. Okay, this way also you can write 1 is less than x, it means that x is greater than 1. Or suppose if I write 1 is less than 3, or you can say 3 is greater than 1. So both are correct. So in this case 1 is less than x, or you can say x is, this is greater. Okay, so x is greater than 1. 1 is less than x, or x is greater than 1, same thing. 1 is less than 3, or 3 is greater than 1, it is same. Okay, so this sign 1 is less and equals to x means that numbers are greater than 1 and equals to 1. Greater than 1 are 2 3 4. Okay, till 4 you are going to stop because this range is given till 4. Okay, so numbers are from 1 till 4. Equals to sign means that these numbers are included. Here 1 is included, and that side 4 is included. Okay, or you can say that x such that x belongs to natural numbers, and x is less than 5. Now in this case you can see there is no equals to sign. Numbers are less than 5 means 4 3 2 1. Okay, numbers less than 5 are 4 3 2 1. So this is also correct method. So these are 3 different methods of this set builder form. Same set, you can write it this way, or this, or this. Okay, all are correct. Okay, all these are correct. Now let me write the notation also. Okay, what are these notations actually? This sign, it is actually such that. Okay, then there is this sign, this is belongs to or an element of. Okay, belongs to, or you can say an element of, okay, an element of, okay. This sign means and, this sign is actually less than, and when we add this, it means less than and equals to, okay. So this sign means less and equal both, okay. I'll give you one more example of this set builder form so that you can understand, okay. Another example I'm going to give you now of this, okay. Second example, first again I'm going to write the tabular form and then the other forms, okay. Tabular form. Now if numbers are not starting from 1, suppose set B is given and it is starting from 4, 6, 8, 10. Now how to write this in descriptive form, okay. How you will write this in descriptive form? In descriptive form, you will describe this set. First of all, you have to think which set it is. Now set, you can see 4, 6, 8, these are even numbers. So set of even numbers. Now numbers, you can see it is not starting from 2, so you cannot say first 4 or first 5 numbers. No, numbers are starting from 4. So set of even numbers starting from 4 till 10, okay. So you can say that set B is actually set of even numbers, okay. Set of even numbers. Set of even numbers from 4 till 10, okay. Numbers are starting from 4 till 10. So this is the descriptive form. Now how to write in notation form? Set builder form, okay. Set builder form. In set builder form, we use notations, okay. Same set how we are going to write. Suppose all these elements are x, you can suppose them as y also, okay. So it's up to you. Suppose these elements are x such that x now belongs to, now this set belongs to an even number, so you will write e, okay. This will change according to the numbers, okay, what number, what set is given actually. So this set belongs to even numbers and numbers are starting from 4, so you will write and numbers are starting from 4 means 4 is less than equals to x and it is less than equals to 10. Numbers are till 10. This is the range actually. Numbers are from 4 till 10, okay. So these signs remain same. This less than sign means 4 is less than x, or you can say x is greater than 4. So numbers greater than 4 are 6, 8, 10. Numbers are till 10, okay. This equals to sign means that 4 is included, okay. And this part, x is less than 10, numbers less than 10 are 8, 6 and numbers are till 4, okay. There is no 2. So numbers less than 10, x is less than 10, so numbers less than 10 are 8, 6, 4. These are even. Equals to sign means that 10 is also included, okay. So this is the correct method of writing it. Or if you don't want to write this equals to sign, suppose if it is written without equals to sign, so how you are going to write? X such that x belongs to an even number. This part will remain same and numbers are starting from 2 is less than. Now there is no equals to sign, it means that 2 is not included, okay. Equals to sign is not given, 2 is not included. 2 is less than x and x is less than 12. Now again you can see there is no equals to sign. It means that 12 is not included and numbers are less than 12. Even numbers less than 12 are 10, 8, 6, 4. You have to stop till 4 because 2 is not included. There is no equals to sign. So these are the two methods of writing the same set in set builder form. Okay. I hope you have understood this set builder and all that. Where we use, actually we use these when you have to find suppose next topic union, intersection and all, and they have given set in set builder form. So if set is given in set builder form, you will convert it into tabular form, this tabular form, and then you are going to solve it. Okay. If set is given in set builder form, change it into tabular form, and then we are going to move on to the next step. Okay. I hope you have understood this. Then there are other important things which you all should know, like what are the null sets, what are finite sets, infinite sets. Okay, all these you all should know. Simple things these are actually, but you all should know because we are going to use in the sets and all. Okay, so what are actually null sets and how to write them? Null set or empty set. Okay. Now null set, how we represent null set, we always represent like this, or you can write it like this. Okay, if you are going to write null set this way, this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. So write this empty one, curly brackets, or in this form. Okay, this is null set. Then there is finite set, finite, finite, both are correct actually. So what is it is actually finite set. You can say that numbers are limited. Okay, countable numbers. Numbers are countable. Okay, you can count these numbers. When you can count the numbers, it means that it is finite set. Okay, countable numbers. Suppose numbers are 1, 2, 3, or elements are given numbers, or you can say elements. Okay. Suppose alphabets are given. If alphabets are A, B, C, you can count these. Okay, these are countable numbers or elements. Now there is infinite set. Infinite word is from this infinity, short form of infinity. Infinite. Okay, infinite set means that unlimited or uncountable numbers. When you cannot count them, uncountable. Uncountable. Okay, uncountable numbers or elements, you can say, or elements. When you cannot count them, it is not possible to count the numbers. Okay, for example, in set A, if elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, or so on. Okay, or in the set, if numbers are, you can say, even numbers 2, 4, 6 and so on. Okay, so these are infinite sets. Okay, then there is equal set. Now what are equal sets? There are 2 points which you have to remember in the equal set. If number of elements are same of two sets, elements are same. Number of elements means, suppose in one set there are 3 elements, then in second should be 3. Okay, so when you compare two sets, so you have to check number of elements are same. Second point is elements are also same. If these 2 points are there, it means that sets are equal. Suppose in set A, elements are 1, 2, 3, and in set B there are elements 3, 1, 2. So according to first point, you can see there are 3 elements. In this also there are 3 elements. Now in the second one, elements are also same. So these numbers 1, 2, 3 or 3, 1, 2. So these digits are also same as this first one. So you can say that A is equals to B. Okay, two sets are equal. Now what are equivalent sets? Okay, now in equivalent sets, what you are going to do, you are going to compare again two sets. So in equivalent sets, now again in this also you are going to compare two sets, but only you have to check if number of elements are same. Okay, number of elements are same, number of elements are same. Suppose in first set there are two elements 1 and 2, in second sets there are two elements A and B. So only check number of elements, although these elements are different but number of elements are same. There are two numbers, and same way in this also there are two numbers. Okay, so number of elements are same, so you can say that two sets are equivalent sets. So you can say A is equivalent to set, A is equivalent to set B. Okay, these two sets are equivalent if number of elements are not same. Suppose if in number of elements in first set there are 3 elements, and in second set there are 2 elements. Here there are 3 elements, and in this there are 2 elements. So number of elements are different, so A is not equivalent to set B. Okay, if sets are not, number of elements are not same, then you can say that sets are not equivalent. Okay, so you can say that all the equal sets are equivalent sets. Okay, all the equivalent sets, all the equal sets are also known as equivalent set. Okay, equivalent set, but equivalent sets, all equivalent sets are not equal sets. Okay, and you have done subsets and supersets, power sets and all that. Okay, so subsets, now how to find subsets? Subsets are actually subsets are part of universal set. Okay, subsets are actually part of universal set. Suppose set A, now there are elements given 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Okay, so how many sets are possible, how many subsets you can make from this? Okay, so number of possible subsets, how you can find number of possible subsets? So how you can find number of possible subset? There is formula of finding it, 2 power n. N means number of elements. There are 4 elements, so you can multiply 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means this is also 2. Okay, so it is equals to 16. So there are 16 possible subsets. Okay, let's make the subsets. Start from the null set, always start from the null set. Okay, null set, then we take 1 element, okay, then take 2 elements, 1 2, then 1 3, then 1 4, 2 3, 2 4, 3 4, then take 3 elements, 1 2 3, then 1 3 4, then 1 2 4, then 2 3, 4. All possible subsets you have to make. Okay. Now how many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All are same. Okay. Sign we use. What sign we use? For subset we use this sign, and for proper subset we use this sign. Okay. This sign we use. Improper is same as the given set. Okay. Improper is same as that given subset. Improper subset same as the given subset. You can see elements are same as given set. Okay. Now the last thing is power subset. Power set you can say. Power set. What is the difference between power set and subset? They are almost same, but the difference is of elements only, of brackets only. Suppose there are 3 elements. Number of possible subsets. How you find? 2 power n is 2 power 3. So it is equals to 8. 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 8. So 8 possible sets. How you are going to write? P then A. Power set of A is equals to, now start with curly bracket, then write null set, then one element, one element, okay, then two elements, two elements, and then in the end the last same set. Okay. After writing this, you will again make curly bracket. Okay. So difference between power set and subset is this curly bracket in the beginning and in the end. Okay. So I hope you have understood this, all these topics. Okay. Examples also I have given, it is in your book. Now what you are going to do, you have to do the exercise. It is your homework. You are going to do exercise 1.1. okay. All these points you have to use in that, all these topics. Okay. Whatever I have explained it, according to that you are going to solve this exercise 1.1. okay. So I hope you have understood this. You can watch this again also, and later on then you can ask questions if you want. But you have to do this in your exercise book. Okay. These examples and all this and this exercise also. Okay. Okay girls, thank you. Bye.